So a Google Ads account has been struggling, and let's discuss one of the query I got regarding this. So yeah, let's get started. Best therapy ads account now struggling on Google Ads. One of my best account is suddenly struggling. Here is the landing page for reference. Okay, let me see your landing page as well. Okay, while it gets loaded, let's come back to the question. Conversion rate was 11.43% in January with 16 total conversions. Conversion rate is 2.86% in February with 4 conversions. Interestingly, there have been exactly 140 clicks in each period. Okay. What could this cause this to happen overnight? What I have checked so far, the Google Tag Manager container quality is excellent. Keywords have not changed at all. I am adding negative keywords twice a times per week, like I have always done. The landing page has not changed aside from adding the Google My Business Review widget, which theoretically should increase conversions, not lower them. I agree on this. Search has always fluctuated and isn't significantly different from previous periods. Search impression share, IS means impression share, and bid strategy has stayed the same, maximize conversions with target CPA of $72. Historically, conversions have come for $58 or so. The account is 6 months old. Location is a 100-mile radius around their business since they can offer online services. This has not changed. Has not changed the entire time. All keywords set to phrase match. Budget of $800 per month or $26.30 a day. Okay. Any help is very appreciated. In a different post, I offer to donate to a charity of choice for the person who helps me solve this, and I can do that. Okay, my main question is what could cause a conversion account, good account to suddenly drop off randomly? I mean to say all keywords set to phrase match, not broad match. Okay, so let's me review the landing page first. Okay, this is your landing page. You are providing a free consultation. Okay, you have over here. So this landing page seems fine. I think that a contact form need to be added over here for someone who has a general queries. So yeah, this form is fine. It's over here, but you can add over here as well a form like a general email. But it's fine. The landing page doesn't seem to be a crucial issue because you have not changed it and it was working fine. So if that is a scenario, try to understand. There may be recent trends. February may be down due to any recent trend, or did you check your last February? Okay, is it fine or not? So try to understand the trends. So the trends also plays a crucial role, so look out for the trends. Apart from this, any new competitor is in your market, so this can be a reason. Okay, also another thing which people usually forget is the Google's auto recommendations, because you have not changed anything, so you may have missed the recommendations. What happens is, in one of the account, what you have to do is, usually Google's notify you for some recommendations, and if you do not do anything or even ignore, the Google automatically applies those recommendations. So if that is a scenario, you need to undo that or look around for any other change which you may. Also, you have pointed out a lot of things as well, including, and I really appreciate you because you have focused on search impression share as well, and the some of the insights as well. So in my opinion is to look around for the auto recommendations, plus your change, look for change history to see any recent change. So look around for these things, this can help. And if anyone new competitors is also in the market or not. Also, is your CTR dropped in recent times or not? Also, is your quality score dropped or not? I mean, this month versus last. So look around on these factors as well. They can tell you some data as well. And because you have been noting around on your, you have discussed regarding that you are adding negative keywords twice a time, and so why don't you create a specific ad groups with the keywords generating the most sales conversions, generating the most conversions, and look around for that and go with maximize conversions without tCPA, without target CPA for those. Okay, and create a specific for those, and this can ideally tell you and how you can improve. And you have said that your all keywords are set to phrase match and your location settings are fine. So I think that this couldn't help. Also look for your locations as well and see if you find any specific location. Create a specific campaign for that. Specific campaign for that. Also, general settings could be to look for your peak sales day and sales time and spend your most budget on that. Okay, these are additional settings. I think the main thing over here is to look around for is to see if there is any new comparators, if any change trend has been changed, or if your last February versus this February is anything different or not. Apart from this, the Google auto recommendation factor is also important to see if that has happened or any other changes. Look for change history, and the CTR has been dropped or not. These are the things which you can CTR or your quality score. Now these are the additional things which I am explaining over here. Look around for your ad groups, create specific ad groups for those keywords which are generating most conversions, and maximize conversions without tCPA for those, not with tCPA but without tCPA for those. Create a new ad campaigns for them. Look around for your location, see if you find around any specific location which is performing well, create a specific campaign for that. Look around for your peak sales day and sales time, or the hour specifically generating the most sales, create for them. Optimize your ad assets. Now these are the general settings, but these are the crucial points which I have highlighted above are how you can improve your struggling Google Ads account for your therapy ads. So I hope this answers your question query. And if anyone needs a professional with the Google Ads audit setup or management service, you can hire me and my team through the link in the description. We are known as ARSWEBS.com as a Google Ads partner company. We have been officially recognized as a Google Ads partner from Google and have been working and helping clients from 2011. So if you want me or my team services, you can hire us through the link in the description, and we will love to work with you. Thank you for watching. Take care and bye bye.